This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So we have the check engine light came on our 2004 GMC Yukon, and we did the OB2 test to see what it was. It's a P0442 error, which is the evaporative emissions system leak. It's a small leak that can come from a faulty or dirty gas cap, or it could be this device here, which is the purge valve for the evaporative system. So when you have gas odors in your tank, it can be pulled in and burned in your combustion using this purge valve, but it has a membrane in there that might be leaking, or it could be a leak from the gas cap. So before you get one of these are pretty cheap from Amazon, but you can just check your gas cap and clean the seal, and that may be enough to get it working again. But just pertains to this O-ring right here. If you get old, they might leak a little bit, or it could be where the O-ring makes contact. The O-ring seems supple still, it's not cracked. It's probably not that. I think it could be the purge valve. So we're going to go ahead and do the replacement. It's pretty quick and easy. Just want to go in, open up your hood. Lift up on the lever there. You want to loosen this screw, and this again is on the 2004 GMC Yukon, but this engine is used on a lot of different GMC vehicles, as well as the CHEVY, TAHOE, and Silverado. So you're going to find it same procedure on a lot of different cars. So once you get that loose, there's some little rubber brackets in the back, so you just lift up and just pull towards you, and that case comes off. And here's where that little part is right here. You can see the modular connector, and then where it connects right here. And then there's a little bolt holding it down into position here. So this will all come off pretty easy. On some models though, this same device is located about down in here. So it just depends on the year. Go ahead and take this out. A little modular connector you lift up on this tab and lift that off. So to get this off, I just push this even further back to the right, and I can lift it off. I just got to take out this one little screw here.
So we're turning the 5/8 bolt lefty-loosey to unloosen it to get that off, and we can pull the old purge valve right off. To put in the new one, we're going to put a little bit of maybe liquid detergent around the seal that's on the bottom side, and we're going to push it all the way in as hard as we can into the hole. And we'll add the bolt back, we'll add the modular connector back, and we'll add the hose connector, and then you'll have a purge valve that's working well, and your car is going to run a lot better. You won't have that error anymore, and you'll have better starts, better performance, and you will not have the rough idle. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel.
So to get this piece off, you can just push this ring away from you to your right. With the modular connector, you lift up on this tab and lift that off. So to get this off, I just push this even further back to the right, and I can lift it off. And I just got to take out this one little screw here.
Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.